Hello there. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can create your first A/B testing experiments using HowCool Optimize, right? So you can go on to this Get Started sections and then click on Create a New Experiment button and select the experiment type that you want to do. And for this example, I'm just going to select A/B testing to do a very simple A/B testing example, right? And then click on Start a New Test. First thing first, give a name to your experiments campaign so that you can easily locate them in the future, right? And enter the page URL where you want to make changes on to test against the changes, right? And then proceed to the next step to set out variants for your experiments, right? And then now you will see that you are now on the variant one visual editor page, and then you can make changes by select the elements, any elements on your page to run experiments. And you can on your top left on the screen, you can switch between the original versions and the different variants for your experiments. And you can add more variants to your experiments as well here, right? All right, now let's go back to our first variant to start making changes to our landing page, right? And now I'm just going to select our hero text, and you can see that a content editor will pop up to allow us to make changes to our landing page, right? You can see that I can make changes to our landing page directly using this content editor, right? And then if you are a very tech savvy user, you can also make complete customization to your page using the JavaScript content editor, or you can also use the CSS styling content editor, right? So I'm just going to use a text a content editor here, and then I will you can also use these AI recommendations to help you generate ideas for your copywritings, right? And then you can just click on this generate ideas, and here we go. The AI has generated some ideas to improve our hero text. And then like you can see the first idea, the quickest A/B testing platform, right? And then dive into the fastest A/B testing scene with our best A/B testing solutions. And you can see that we actually retain all the HTML text, which means that all the styling will be retained as well. So feel free to explore the AI recommendations to help improve your copywriting or messaging, right? And then the other things that I want to highlight is that you can also, for example, select the entire block and then get the AIs to provide copywritings for this entire block, right? So now the AI has generated a list of recommendations to help us improve the copywriting for this entire block, right? So now let's see what's the recommendations from the AI, right? So just click on it. You can see that precisely your requirement, like exactly tailored for you, right? So if you are satisfied with the recommendations from the AI, you can just click on save. Or if you want to make any changes, you can also use the content editor here that we are determined to, right? So you can make any changes using this content editor here, right? And then once you are good, and you can just click on save, right? And then it will be the changes will be directly reflect on your on the visual content editor here. So right. And then now let's move on to the variant two, and I'm just going to do a very quick one, right? Generate ideas for the hero text. All right, so here's the list of ideas from the AI for our hero text, and then maybe I will just select this one, the quickest A/B testing solutions, and I will just save. And then the next thing is to set out your audience, your targeting audience for your experiments, right? So on the targeting page here, you can specify the audience that you want them to enter into your experiments. And we have another video that walk you through in details how to specify your audience by country, segments, as well as events rules, right? So for this example, I'm just going to target everyone and then proceed to the next step to set out my experiments goals, right? And then there are a few ways for you to define your experiment goals or conversions. And we have another videos that walk you through all these different ways to define your goals as well. So for this example, I'm just going to select click on an element, and then here there will have a visual editor to help me select the elements that I want to define as a successful conversions. And I'm going to select this primary call to actions button, and then I would need to give a name to this goal profile as well, right? So I can just like click on Save Draft, and then the test will be available under the Draft tab, right? So here you can make changes to your variants before it goes live, or you can adjust your targeting and change goals as well before your experiments goes live, right? So after you have finalized everything and are good to go, you can just click on this publish test, and then the experiment will be running on your site, and it will be available under the active tab, my first A/B test, right? So that is how easy you can set up your A/B testing on Heroku Optimize, right? So I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.